Want to be smarter, work faster, and learn better? These 5 AI tools will change the way you think. Stay till the end because number 3 is a game changer. 1. ChatGPT, your AI assistant. First up, ChatGPT. This AI chatbot can answer your questions, help you learn new skills, and even write essays, emails, or business plans in seconds. Just type your question, and ChatGPT gives you instant answers. Perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who wants to boost their knowledge. 2. Notion AI, smarter note-taking. Taking notes just got smarter with Notion AI. This tool can summarize long articles, generate ideas, and organize your thoughts in an instant. Whether you're a student or a content creator, Notion AI helps you stay productive without wasting time. 3. Perplexity AI, Google alternative. Google is great, but Perplexity AI gives you direct answers without ads or distractions. Instead of scrolling through multiple websites, just ask a question and get an instant, well-researched response. It's like having a personal research assistant. 4. Quillbot, AI writing and paraphrasing. Need to rewrite or improve your writing? Quillbot uses AI to paraphrase text, fix grammar, and make your writing sound more professional. Great for essays, blog posts, and emails. 511 Labs, AI voice generator. Want to create realistic AI voices? 11 Labs generates human-like voiceovers that sound natural and expressive. It's perfect for YouTube videos, podcasts, or audiobooks. These AI tools can make your life easier and help you learn faster. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more AI and self-improvement tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.